Hey everyone, welcome back to Notsofast, where I show you how to fix your car, save money, and learn real mechanic skills at your own pace. Today I'm breaking down the top 20 tools every beginner mechanic needs. These are the essentials that'll handle almost any repair without breaking the bank. Let's jump in. Today, I'm breaking down the top 20 tools every beginner mechanic needs. These are the essentials that'll handle almost any repair without breaking the bank. Let's jump in. Number 1, a socket set. Get both metric and SAE, deep and shallow sockets. You'll use these every single time you touch a car. Number 2, ratchets. Grab 3. A 1/4 inch, 3/8, and a 1/2 inch. Add some extension bars. They make tight spots easy. Number 3, combination wrenches. Sometimes a socket won't fit. Wrenches save the day. Get both metric and SAE. Number 4, screwdrivers. Flathead, Phillips, long, short, you'll need them all. Trust me. Number 5, Allen and Torx sets. Modern cars love using these, especially for brakes and interiors. Number 6, pliers. Needle nose, channel locks, and locking pliers. Get good ones. Cheap pliers will destroy your hands. Number 7, a multimeter. It's your best friend for electrical issues. Test your battery, fuses, and sensors in seconds. Number 8, an OBD2 scanner. When that check engine light comes on, this tells you why, instantly. Number 9, battery tools. A wire brush and terminal cleaner fix half of dead battery problems. Number 10, a torque wrench. Tighten bolts perfectly. Not too loose, not too tight, just right. Number 11, a breaker bar. When bolts don't budge, this gives you the power to move them. Number 12, a rubber mallet and pry bar. For stuck parts, rust, and stubborn joints, no damage, just results. Number 13, a jack and jack stands. Never ever crawl under a car without stands. Safety first, always. Number 14, a work light. You can't fix what you can't see. A good light makes every job easier. Number 15, your oil change kit. A drain pan, funnel, and filter wrench will save you hundreds every year. Number 16, safety gear. Gloves and glasses protect you from burns, cuts, and chemicals. Always wear them. Number 17, WD-40 and shop towels. You'll use them for everything. Cleaning, loosening, and keeping parts moving. Number 18, a magnetic tray. Keeps all your bolts safe so you don't lose them in the engine bay. Number 19, a cordless impact driver. Optional, but a total game changer once you try it. And number 20, a good attitude. Patience, curiosity, and the willingness to learn will take you further than any tool. So there you have it, my top 20 tools every beginner mechanic needs. Start small, build your toolkit one piece at a time, and before long, you'll be fixing your own car like a pro. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and join me over on Notsofast, where we take things slow so you can fix them fast.